Konnichiwa! This is my first time traveling internationally and we're going to Japan! It was super cool to see a podcast that we created at work on the in-flight entertainment options for Hawaiian Airlines, surfers and residents right there. So cool to see. I haven't seen this in person yet, but it was a big project that we worked on. It was one of my last projects at my corporate job. The flight was 9 hours and I watched 3 sad rom-coms which left me mildly depressed. Once we arrived in Tokyo, it was nighttime and like I said, I was mildly depressed. So here's us the next day after coffee, bright and sunny Japan, nice and early before anyone got up. Konnichiwa guys! We are in Tokyo. We just got in last night and so we're just walking around. We're heading over to the Sensoji temple first and then gonna grab some breakfast. So far it's been super fun just seeing like all of the differences and similarities, and the city is just so vibrant and lively, so we're excited to check it out, especially experience some nightlife. So excited to take you guys along. Let's head to the Sensoji temple. We are now at the Sensoji temple. When you first come in, there's kind of all these vendors, and then right here you can drop in 100 yen and then pull out a stick. And so then we're gonna find our number. It's right here. Pull it out. Let's see. Bad fortune. Bad fortune. Okay, so to get bad fortune, I'm gonna roll it up.
Put the stick back.
And then tie it up here. And then we won't take that home with us. Okay, you guys, I'm at the cutest cafe called Souk 6, and they have in their bathroom like all kinds of notes from gals all over. Isn't this so cute? That's so true. Good food and cozy places. That is Tokyo for you. Oh, so fun. Okay, you guys have to go to Souk 6 Cafe. It's by the river. There's like beautiful brunch food, lounge on the second floor with views of the river. Super, super cute. Like, are you kidding? So cool. Got Italy, Australia. You guys, this is the golden flame. That's 24 karat gold all the way through. And locals call it golden We had a really chill dinner near the hotel last night, and then we did like a little kind of late morning walked around the area. It's, I believe, pronounced Ueno. That's where our hotel is, and I totally recommend this spot if you're looking for a Japan vacation. It's really central. There's a lot of great restaurants. There's the temple close by, lots to see and do. So today we decided to come back to Harajuku. So there's lots of shopping here, great food. We also heard that there's amazing Italian food here. So we're at Italy. We're gonna try that out next. And yeah, another amazing day in Japan. It's a little rainy, but not stopping us. Also, I just gotta mention again, like if I haven't yet, the style here is unmatched. Like truly, I mean, I haven't been anywhere else, so I have no idea. But like, I couldn't imagine it getting any better. Like, just casually, on the train just now even, it's like there was somebody that had like a long, beautiful Prada coat on. And I of course had to like look up the price just for curiosity, just to know. Almost $3,000. And it's beautiful. And everyone here is like, their outfits are so stunning. And there's such kind of like a culture around sustainable fashion, local fashion, and like thrifting and that kind of thing with designers. So if you're here, definitely plan to check out the vintage shops. They're a little bit higher priced, much higher priced than what you're used to back in the continent, but really good stuff. Now let's get some pasta. Harajuku this morning. We're about to grab some breakfast, and this is the second to last day. I am like most excited about today because we're going to do the head spa and some parks and in TeamLab tonight. So very excited. Let's get some breakfast. We ended up visiting the Meiji Shrine, and I highly recommend it. It's known for daily ceremonies, open for visitors, beautiful scenic areas to walk around in, and a really just great spot to soak in culture and your surroundings. Okay, now we're at Shimokutezura, and it's a district that has like lots of cute shops and vintage stores, and we happened across a vintage like festival of sorts. So very excited to check this out. Let's go. And then what happened next was truly shocking. We came across this bunny park, like literally dog park, but for bunnies. Wow, so cute. Go bunny, go! Okay, I freaking love Japan. We are in Shibuya. We had literally the best lunch I've probably ever had in my entire life, and I'm not kidding. It was a tasting menu. We didn't go with the tasting menu, but we did the small plate, and it was so good. Here's the name of it. It's so good. If you're planning a trip to Tokyo, definitely check it out. Like, best food ever. So up next, we're gonna go to the Head Spa Tokyo. 90 minutes of pure bliss. I cannot wait. I'm gonna take you guys along, and I'll see you at the Head Spa.
The whole experience was insane. Like, we had the best sushi ever. It matched yesterday's like tasting menu sushi. So they also had amazing strawberries. Like, these were some of the cheaper ones, but they went all the way up to like $40. Try these out.